How to connect GroovePages to a domain register like NameCheap? Stay tuned. Firstly, go to the top right profile picture under my account. You'll reach a new screen and click domain. Choose custom domain to use your own domain and click manage. Next, click on the top right button to add a domain. If it is a brand new domain with nothing in it, select the full domain setup. If your website is an existing one with content, choose the legacy domain setup and click on next. For this tutorial, we will assume that you are using a brand new website. Next, type your domain name. In this tutorial, it will be maxio.com and click on next. On the next screen, Groove will give you two name server address, which is for you to copy paste back into your domain register. In our case, we are using NameCheap. You can click on the button on the right for the copy function. Once you have input both domain name server's address, click on the green tick on the right and you are done with your domain register. Updating of the domain name server address for the domain register to point to your web hosting will take up to 48 hours. So in the meantime, we just have to wait, and usually users will struggle with this step because they miss out on the notice. Usually it's done in half a day. So now we are back at Groove. Click on next and Groove will prompt you to validate the DNS records. And remember, if the domain register has not pointed to Groove, there will be an error at the lower right. For now, we just click complete the process first, and we'll come back later to verify the domain. Now I'm showing you the errors that we are getting when the domain name servers has not been updated. Half a day has gone by and now we are back to verify the domain. Click on verify domain and validate DNS records. As you can see, the process went smoothly and a green box with the successfully verified domain will pop up. Next, we will have to choose the primary app for this domain, meaning when I type in maxio.com, do I go to a Groove page, or do I go to a Groove blog, or do I go to a Groove cell or Groove member? In our case, we are using GroovePages as our primary app. So now all the connections are done. Now we just need to publish our pages. Skipping back to GroovePages to show you how to publish a website. Click on the publish button at the top right and the publish window will pop up. First, select the custom domain. Then under the custom domain, select the domain that we have choose to connect. In this case, it's maxio.com. Next, we will have to select the location. For this part, I will select the root as my location because I'm not using any subdomain. Next, click on the cloud icon with the arrow up to publish. For first time publishing, it will take about 10 minutes depending on the size of your pages. And once it's done, you will have a green notification box to say that the site publish is in progress. And you can check your website after a few more minutes. Most likely it will be done. And that's it. See you in the next tutorial.